Did you know that physiological processes, such as blood flow and respiration, leave behind subtle visual cues? These cues include changes in skin color and upper body movement, which can be picked up by ordinary cameras such as the ones in your smartphone. And thanks to advances in computer vision, they allow us to perform remote video-based measurement of vital signs such as pulse rate and respiration rate. This technology is known as Remote Photoplethysmography, or rPPG. In a post-pandemic world, it has the potential to turn smartphones into medical devices and power the future of the telehealth industry. We're developing rPPG technology for practical applications. This includes trading off accuracy and latency while including robustness to sources of noise such as movement and illumination changes. Our research focuses on the full AI pipeline, ranging from collection of high-quality, diverse data to creating and testing novel neural network architectures. If you are interested to learn more, visit our website at roust.com.